Here I have Poco M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button which is called Screen Recorder. So if you hold your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Here you can select screen recording resolution, you can select video quality, orientation, sound source. You can fix frame rate, or you can select your own frame rate. You can lock screen to end, show touch gestures, visualize navigation buttons, and go to screen recorder after you stop recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and as you can see, recording starts. Now let's record some of our screen. So to stop recording, just tap on this red button here, and after that this recording will be saved to the gallery, to the videos album, and here it is. And as you can see, recording starts. Now let's record some of our screen. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.